Hey everyone, welcome back. Okay, this is Max's Magic for the violin. This is a bass etude that I wrote out for the entire orchestra. It happens to really work the basses wonderfully, but it's also a great etude for everyone else for fourth position. So everybody gets practice with fourth position, as well as a chromatic little idea that is reminiscent of our half step homie or our half position homie. Okay, so this is the little ditty that we're going to play. Notice that we're starting on a finger and we're playing all half steps, so there's no guessing. You just have to play the numbers, play the right fingers. If they're struggling finding sharps and flats and things, just have them do a finger chart and just show them where those notes are. And then we're going to find where fourth position is. So what I would do is put your tuner on A, play your fourth finger on the D string, make a tonal check with your A string, make sure they're the same, and then release and replace that finger and shift up. Make sure they get it. Might have to do that a few times. And until they find where fourth position is, and we explain that fourth position means that my first finger goes where my fourth finger was. That's why it's fourth position. I also call this a clunk, or I had a teacher who called this a clunk position, that your hand clunks the side of the violin. So if you do that, automatically you'll find it. Okay, and from there we're going to play the same little pattern. They're also going to learn the same lesson that the basses are learning, that as you go up the violin, the notes get closer together, so they almost have to have their fingers right on top of each other because the notes are now closer together. Okay, so the level 1 would be doing this with the metronome, just in first position, and then level 2 would be as printed. So I'm just going to play as printed, but you would probably stay on just that first measure with the entire orchestra for a little while, even maybe a few days or so. Okay, that's Max's Magic. Now if you have some really motivated students and want to give them a little more of a challenge, have them start that in another place on the instrument, i.e. the A string, and have them figure out those relationships on the upper 2 strings, and that'll keep them nice and busy. Alright guys, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.